Hello, I'm Richard Gerhardt. Welcome to Body of Energy. On this video I will be demonstrating the tarot tool with the expanded tarot deck with black border. This tool is available on 1/2-inch Baltic birch plywood and also on game board stock. Thank you. So the basic framework of the tarot tool is about the suits, which are represented by these symbols here, the numbers and their meaning, and the action symbols, which are on the outside edge of the tool. So this tool can be used with our expanded tarot card deck with black border, our expanded tarot card deck with colored border. We also have an expanded tarot tile set with no color, and an expanded tarot tile set with colored corners. So on this demonstration, I'll be demonstrating the card deck with black border. So this tool has a basic 9-point layout, which is about the suits and the connection point between the suits. So on the first level of reading this tool, it's about the card and the position which it's over. So this card is about the number 5. It's about being centered, connected to the voice of truth. And the suit of swords, which is about the element of air, which is about the spirit and the principle of truth. And this center circle is the major arcana card, which is about the element of light, which is about the heart and the principle of understood, for life is understood in the heart. So this is about being centered in your spirit, centered in the truth, and that is the heart of the matter. So this is the first layer of reading this tool. We have a worksheet. So these 9 points then can be worked out on 9 different levels for a total of 10 levels that we read this tool. And part of working out those additional 9 levels is about placing these cards where they go on the tool. Each card, the 7 of Wands, has a place on the tool. Here's the 7 of Wands, and this is the 7 of Wands. So there's where that card goes. Here's the suit of Wands and the suit of Cups, which is this connection point between Wand and Cups. Here's the 7 of Cups, goes there, and so forth. So as each one of these cards is placed in the place that it represents, it paints a different kind of picture as to what's going on with the person and what they need to understand. So this helps the person see what was the most important quadrant or the most important suit. What was the most important pathway, which is represented by these parallel lines and so forth. So this is the way this tool is used and the way this tool is read on multiple levels. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe and check out our other videos. Also, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below or visit our website at bodyofenergy19.com. Thank you.